up, Queens guys? So today I'm playing Blockstar Planet with Jade. But like I finally figured out my password, you guys. Like I couldn't remember my username or password, so Jade told me my username, and then it took me forever to figure out my password. Okay, I'm going into a game. Okay, Parker, yeah. Okay, also guys, I don't have VIP anymore because like, yeah, didn't play this one like that long. I haven't played this in a while. I'm going to this one. I'm going to Gucci Gold or whatever. Oh my god, this was lying when it was hot. Okay, I can do this, you guys. I forgot. Okay, I forgot how to play this. Okay, well, with me, guys. I forgot how to play this. Oh, also, you guys, Jade's in my Roblox. Oh, not Roblox account. Jade's in my Discord account because we were doing this prank on the boys. Oh yeah, guys. So, wait, hold on. Where am I supposed to go? Okay, guys. So you all might be like wondering if me and Dylan are like still together, and like no, we're not. But go down here. Wait, is that you? Oh no, that's not you. No, the one that was in front of me. Oh shit, I'm okay. But yeah, I'm in Jade's Disco account right now. Where am I supposed to go? Oh, wait, are we supposed to jump down there? I'll wait for you. Come on, hurry up, old lady. Wait, are we supposed to go down there or where? Dude, you're not supposed to go that way, dummy. Not you. This other guy. Or maybe. I can't do a double. Oh, I did it! Oh, come. Oh my god, we gotta do another double jump. Okay, do this. I can't do this. I can't do this next jump. Are you coming? I am. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna go down because I'm gonna feel like I'm gonna fall. Oh, I see Jade, you guys. No, never mind. I see him. Oh, you're my. Okay, you go first. Ladies first. You're a lady. Go. Okay, I can do this. No, I died also. No. How are you supposed to do that? Like. Okay, you know what? Huh? Can I change my character? See, watch your language. This is a child safe channel. Even though, guys, it's annoying Jade. I was told that always shoot. I forgot to wait, guys. Okay, girl, you was even. Ah! Okay, yeah, okay. I'm gonna fail. Oh, I died too. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna change. I can't see my thing. Oh, that's me. Web. I'm wearing my contacts right now. Okay, you know what? I'll just go with that. Why? You're not gonna hurt you. Why you? Why you? I don't like glasses because, like, they're embarrassing. Okay, guys. No, I'm not calling you. No, like, no, I had to push them up my nose. I kept on. So I got tired. Yeah, like, I had to keep on pushing it on my nose and stuff. And so that's why I got sick of glasses. Yeah. How did I fail that jump? And then my dad was like, sure. Okay, you know what? No! I, don't watch me! Girl, don't watch me. I'll be watching you. Ah! Oh, almost fell. Okay, I'm gonna try this, blue. Oh, I see him. Oh, wait. No! I'm about to wait screen. I found it. Were you at the thing I was at? Oof. Boy, oh, not you. That's cool. Oh, I see what we're supposed to do. Okay, hold on. Wait 1 second. No, I mean, I'm just saw this guy do it. He double jump. Oh, like, what's double jumping again? I forgot to play this Evil Queens guy. I haven't played this in over a month or something. Wait. Yeah, I saw a guy made it. Wait for me. How am I supposed to? Do we need it? No, I died! Someone pushed me! I blame someone. Sorry, guys. I want to start screaming on my new laptop. Dude, stop trying to kill me. Maybe, okay, well, that's what you said last time, lady. So, oh, they're online. Hey, no, it should be like, hey, babe. Okay, guys, they tried. They finally answered us. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, this is okay. Okay. If you're watching this, boys, I'm sorry. I should be. Should I screen record this? I'm screen recording this. Oh, he saved me! He saved me! Cute. I was really sorry for doing this to you. Yeah, sorry. What is? We were literally up into like Toby. What? Okay. He thinks I'm you. He thinks I'm you. What else do I say? He thinks I'm you. Okay, just be like, what should I say? No, should I be like, I love you? Should I say that? Oh my god. Okay, keep you watching this. I'm really sorry. I don't actually love you because, like, I'm with Damien. Oh, and I died again. Oh, he answered. Oh, he thinks I'm you! Oh my god, wait, say something to Damien. Say something to Damien. Be like, I love you, or something. Oh my god, you guys, don't do this. Don't do this. Wait, what are you saying? Wait, shut up! Okay, I don't call Damien. No, I don't say that to Damien. I don't be like, babe. I just said babe. Oh, he thinks like, he thinks that. Okay, okay, guys, sorry. We're just like really excited. Cause, oh my god. Oh my god, we're such bad people. Yeah, we're not cheating. No, okay. Oh, he's like me. Someone typed me. I can't look. He's gonna be like, no, he's probably know you. I love you. No, we're after Elvis. Okay, should we tell them it's a prank? No, wait, let me say. Oh my god, Keith, you know you said. Keith, you know you said I love you to me, right? Slash Lizzie. This is so fun. We're having so much fun, you guys. Guys, don't do this to your boyfriend at home. You said I hate you too. I'm gonna say we love you too. We love. Don't actually. No, they're gonna. Okay, after that. Okay, so no offense, but no offense, but these guys. And no. No offense, okay, it's a boy. Like mine's like better. No, wait, we should no. Okay, guys, we have a no. So be like, guys, we have a challenge for you. Should I say that? I'm not gonna challenge for you. Okay, okay. Okay, so I have Keith for 20. No, you say. And Jane has Damien. Okay. Come on, Jane. Oh, come on. I'm not gonna do it. Who was that? Okay. No kissing. What should the rules be? No kissing. No, no, yes, I'm still here. No, oh, shoot. The video's, oh, wait. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to join the Queen Squad. No flirting. No, should I be like, no flirting? Okay, those are the two rules. I don't know. Okay. Anyways, guys, I'll see you on my next video. And me and Jay are gonna attempt to, like, okay, try this, I guess you can say. Because we suck at this. Because the boys keep on distracting us. No offense, boys, if you're watching this. And no, I love you. Yeah, that too. Yeah, that too. Just basically, like, just think of it. Just think of it. Okay, come on, you guys. Just, it's like hang out, basically. Oh my god, you guys are no fun. Guys, comment below if you think Jade or Keith is not fun. They're pretty much boring. No offense. No offense, Keith, if you're watching this, but still, like, fun. Okay, guys. Well, I'll see you all in my next video. Make sure to I'll put down me and Jay's YouTube channel in the link down below. And I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Did you pass it? I'm giving up. I give up. What? Okay. Bye, guys. I'll see you all later. And Jay,